Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping well and staying safe in your homes. Today we, the students of class 12th H of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, are going to present a video in front of you all on the topic uncertainties and how to deal with them. So let's begin. So basically, what are uncertainties? What do you mean by uncertainties? Uncertainties is the state of being uncertain. When you are in a doubt, means you are uncertain. Uncertainty is defined as doubt. So let's say, take an example. During this present situation, the economy is contracting and people are worried about this. So we can say that the economic environment and the economists are uncertain during these days. So before beginning with the types of uncertainties and how to deal with them, first of all, let's know what are the basic causes of uncertainties. First cause is lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge means we don't have proper knowledge about everything, so we start assuming things, and which can lead to doubt and suspicion and then uncertainties. Second is abundance of knowledge. Sometimes we have abundance of knowledge and we don't know which one is the best for us. And the third is subjectivity of opinions. Everyone's opinion is different, so we cannot categorize them, we cannot differentiate them easily. So being a part of subjectivity, we also become uncertain sometimes. Now in this video, we will be focusing on the life, business, software development and uncertainties during these pandemic days. I hope you all will like our video. Let's begin.
So let's begin with life uncertainties. Life is full of uncertainties and we have just got to live with it. Uncertainty is an unavoidable part of life, but for many people, it triggers harmful levels of stress. Uncertainty is a natural part of life. Everyone feels it on a daily basis, so just try to live life with a smile.
Now comes business uncertainty. Uncertainty is that concept in business that needs to be deeply understood. Since certain events are very unique and difficult to plan for, they come with even greater downsides for unprepared businesses. Uncertainty is when a clothing store introduces new unrelated product without any research. Now we'll get to know some of the measures to cope with business uncertainty. First, accept where you are and focus what's within your control. When you are running a business, you should be well aware about your position in the market and you should know whether the things are in your control or not. Second, gather information and facts. Before or after starting any business, you should be well updated and gather information and facts about the market on daily basis. Third, plan and be prepared. As external environment keeps on changing, so we should be planned and prepared to face any uncertainty in business. Fourth, look for opportunities. As we already know, SWOT analysis is very much important for running any business. We should always look for opportunities for our business. Fifth, be agile and flexible. Flexible means always try adapting to external environment for successful running of the business.
Now, let us know about the uncertainties by developing a software. Software development is difficult for a lot of reasons like complex technologies, demanding clients, and tight schedules can all combine to make it a challenge. Uncertainty in software development can come from a number of sources, like the technology itself. To deal with uncertainties, first, identify the source of uncertainties for the project. Second, use the right project management method for the project. Third, address unexpected events as soon as possible. Fourth, apply best practices to reduce uncertainties.
all around us, never more so than today. And the most important, the current COVID-19 has heightened uncertainty over economy, finance, relationship, and of course physical and mental. To cope with all this uncertainty, many of us using as a tool for trying to predict the future and avoid many necessary surprises.
The following tips that help you to cope up with the present uncertainties during COVID-19 pandemics are: first, focus on controlling those things that are under your control. Second, challenge your need for certainties. Third, learn to tolerate, even embrace the inevitable uncertainties of life, etc.
Now let us know about few quotes on uncertainties by famous personalities. Fear, uncertainty and discomfort are your compasses towards growth.
Uncertainty is stressful, but you don't need to know all the answers. Just breathe deeply and take small steps.
If you give too much value to the pain of the past and uncertainty of the future, you will waste the power of today.
I hope you all must have liked the video. We have tried to cover all the major types of uncertainties which we come across in our lives. Please motivate us and appreciate our efforts by liking this video. Thank you so much for watching and giving your time. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.